In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a song on WhatsApp status. Now click on your WhatsApp, right? At first, you should add the picture you want to add the sound to, right, on your WhatsApp status. So I want to add the song to this my picture right now. And let's say I want to search, the name of the song is, I can just type in, let me say, okay, God's Plan, right? So this is it, this is the name of the song. So once this song has opened up, now I'm going to just click on this arrow icon, right? It's going to add up. Once it has added up, I'm not going to add it because I don't want this video to have any issues, right? So once you have added it up right now, it's going to be playing right away for you, right? It's going to be playing right here. So you can just come on here, enter the caption you want, right? So you can just type in, let me say, God's Plan, right? You can just click on this. Once you're done, you're going to click on this green icon. Is going to send, right? So the music is going to currently be playing, but you have added this caption and the picture. This is basically how you can add a song on your WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you in the very next video.